Tonight I'm making Crunchwrap Supremes and some nachos and cheese. So I got my 3 pounds of hamburger going. It's almost done. Got my tortillas laid out. Get my cheese going. Salsa con queso from Aldi. Okay, I'm gonna put these tostadas on next. Okay, got all those on. I added another thing of cheese on top, and then I'm going to do sour cream, like so. Alright, I got my taco meat on. Looking good. Got my lettuce. Got my cheddar cheese. Then I put small fajita tortillas on top because they're too big, so I need a small one to cover it up, like so.